I'm such a lover of people because people
Hello?
do so much for me.
Hey, TC.
Hey, everything okay?
Yeah.
I'm
Look,
a lover
Evie's
of all
busy.
humanity.
So I'm gonna need you to
All
search the
mankind.
camera footage for that shooting on
And I feel
Harper.
that he
How can I help?
has been successful.
Give me the address for who shot that
Look
kid.
out for his fellow man.
I'm getting East 23rd Street, apartment
That's
2.
my role. That's my job.
His name's Lydell Green.
I know when I was a kid, I said I was gonna be a preacher. Hey. Maybe I am, but to me, I feel like I'm a teacher somewhat. Because I've been able to experience things that most poor,
Hey, I don't know who that is, but you
not
better stop
haven't
playing.
been able to, even the rich. So I'll start by preaching right here. Because I want to preach to you one more time by here. I talked once before, now I want to preach. I want to start by saying, I heard Harry talking one more time and said, where I came, nobody knows.
You killed a kid.
I come from a land.
You're gonna turn yourself in. If not, I'm gonna be back here. We're gonna do this all over
A
again.
whole nation gathered. Because I'm a breed of crime and wholesale corruption.
When you go to the cops, Wait, you're gonna wait, feel no, the no, clutch. no.
Sad. I'm pure and then I'm deludable. And once I'm in your blood, I'll make it pursuitable.